Get one of you bit. We beefing, nigga, yeah, we beefing. We beefing, nigga, yeah, we beefing. Be down here. Here we go again. Big wheels, wet paint, big motors, loud pipes. Let's show 'em how we rollin'. 24, 26, 28, 30s, 32s on the cold, man.
Controversial new video out. So controversial. There's a controversial new video out. So controversial.
Big controversy tonight. Big controversy.
Latest new video tonight. Latest new video.
32, they say you. What's going on, dog? There you go. Them boys swerving out here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, the Charger boys can't go nowhere. The man acting the ass out here. Swerve team has blocked it off. Oh, shit. Woo! Them boys cutting up out here. Oh, shit. Chuck.
The pre for sale. Go get the pre.
Chargers can't go nowhere. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, they cutting up on the Chargers over there. Oh, shit, the Chargers scared? I'm telling the Chargers. Oh, he's swerving. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, you ain't fucking with that stuff. Oh, they're rolling out. They're rolling out. Everybody run to y'all. Oh, where y'all going there? Oh, shit, they're running. Oh, shit, they're running them. Where they going at? Swerve team and random boys out of here. Damn. Go. Oh, shit. Swerve team running this shit. Oh. Oh, shit. You fighting back. You fight. You fight. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Y'all ain't gonna let that shit happen. Y'all ain't gonna let all these boys shit. They can box them boy in. They can box them boy in. They can box them boy in. He can't go nowhere. They can box him in. He can't do nothing. He boxed in. Hey, these niggas crazy. They can box him in. They can box him in. Oh, shit. We can't go nowhere. They can box him in. Fuck that nigga over there. That nigga ain't going nowhere. Oh, shit. It's going down in the city. Oh, he can't get out. He can't get out. He boxed in. Nigga boxed him in. Nigga boxed him in. Nigga boxed him in. Nigga boxed him in. Nigga boxed him. Nigga boxed him in. Oh, shit. Nigga boxed him in. Oh, they got guns and shit. Oh, shit, they got guns and shit. Oh, it's getting deadly. Oh, shit. motherfucker whip getting deadly.
Nigga, put it out, I'm pull my ratchet out.
Damn, I'm pulling out ratchet and shit right now.
Serious? I'm the no something on them over there.
Huh? What happened?
Yeah.
Everybody put out guns on this shit.
I don't got nothing to do with this, world. I'm just trying to sell my coat.
You try, oh, right, you gonna go sell your coat, son.
Y'all, somebody steal it.
And nigga put out ratchet, it's going down the 504 whip. These niggas got guns and shit. 504 whip, it got guns and shit out here.
Oh, bitch ass nigga, quick, fuck.
Ooh, nigga about to bust me. Oh, he gonna get him. Don't go kill him, man. Don't go do it to him. Let him go.
I love you like a brother. I don't want to see you on the news. Don't go get no pussy. Not no bad pussy a day. But y'all see, you heard me. I paid $500.
You gonna get that boy pussy.
Oh, Lord, not another one.
That was his damn black.
Not another.
I look like a punk color, dude.
Oh, man. Say 32, why you leaving, son?
Where your 32 is at?
Nigga said that's his mama car.
Oh,
Mama car. Oh no. That your mama shit.
say, y'all.
The boy still talk?
Dubai start doing that, bitch. They say hit the motherfucker.
They got babies with wheels around this bitch.
I thought you know how to swerve.
Hit the gas fast. You see him, huh? Little D getting it in. Swerve team got babies driving. Baby driving 60s.
Baby on 6, bro. Cut up.
Violent video games in real life. Free straight out of Grand Theft Auto. You've been playing the video game Grand Theft Auto and wanted to see if it was as fun in real life. Where characters rob, carjack, and kill their way to the top of the urban underworld. Police allege in the process, Burgess smashed into 9 cars, sending 2 people to the hospital.
He wouldn't speak to me, he wouldn't look at me. It was like he was in the zone.
Around in my Bugatti. I'ma cut the top like a karate. My crib cost me 400 bands. I talk money like dog skin. I put bounties on you haters' head. I spent 10 racks hours straight. Y'all really don't want mess with us. My whole team Bugatti up. Phantom when we wanna stun. The the strip club, we toss it up. Ride with us, you know we got it. My garage is so exciting. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, this so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, this so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it.
AK with a standing mag. I'm talking hollow tips inside the whips y'all wish y'all had. 70 million in the bank, I'm rich. Might have called J-Tag Ole. Real talk. Got insurance on that cop car, nigga. Rob who? Now it's over for you and your crew, nigga. Drop 10 racks on that bounty. Front less the one. And the other 9 for whoever go out and find them. My whip game so exotic. My crib came with a walk-in closet. And my swag is off the chain with plenty tats. So you know I got it. No skeletons in my closet. Just plenty dead bodies. Aim game is bullseye. One shot from the chopper. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, they so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, they so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it.
Coming down the streets deep. Run up on it, you feel that heat. Space dock is what you see. Space dock is what you see. Boy, you was fucked from the start. You don't have to raise up your hood to get jumped.
Beats like this. If you miss Soldier Slim, you know you clap. If you miss Soldier Slim, you know you clap. If you miss Soldier Slim,